Hi guys, I'm here now. I wanted to share with you the how to fix the mic. It's not working because it's already broken, already busted. See the wire. So we need to fix this one using by soldering iron. So this one from the end, I will gonna cut off so I can put a new one. So then we put a soldering iron now. That's when I gonna check. So the number 1 will be the same. Yeah. So number 3 and 1 is connected, and the number 2 is separate. So this one, this whole one, which we put in number 2 here, we have a number over there. See, we have a number. So we put in number 2, and this one is number 3 and 1, both together. Okay.